Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back to share with you guys a AliExpress haul as well as some samples that I created. So the first thing I'll show you guys is this little die set, and this is probably one of my smallest die sets ever. What these are little bees, and it comes with two wing pieces, and it also comes with two body pieces that you kind of stack on top of each other. Really, really cute. You can also make it another type of fly or something, but I just prefer to make it a bee because I think that bees are kind of cute when they're in the crafting world. I used some vellum and then some little scrap pieces of paper, and let me show you guys what these look like put together. Really, really cute. I love the way these look put together. They are not hard to put together at all. They go together really easily, but it is really tiny, small pieces, but I thought those were really, really cute. And so those are my first dies. My next one is this one right here. It actually is a mermaid tail, and it has like the scales on it that will emboss, and I thought this was really cute. And so this is the card that I created using that. And so this is the mermaid tails right here, cut out of Hobby Lobby glitter paper. And then I stamped on here "Be a Mermaid," and that came from this set right here. Stuff is kind of falling over here, but it came from this set right here. It just says "Be a Mermaid," and this one came from Michael's, and I believe I paid like 60 cents or something like that for that set. This is a little bow that came from Tuesday Morning out of an embellishment pack. I'll share with you guys this die right here, and then this die set is just a rectangle stitch die, and then this one that I make my card bases out of. A lot of people always ask me about that, and I picked that die set up from AliExpress as well. And the way that you would make your card base would be to just fold your paper in half first, and then you would probably use a little bit of washi tape and just put your die on your paper just like this, where it's kind of hanging over, where this part will not cut into your paper, only the bottom and the sides will cut. And once you cut it, you'll have a scallop card base just like this one. So that is how I make those. I love scallop card bases, and I think this card came out super cute. So the next one that I'll show you guys is this camper die, and this camper die comes with the camper, as well as this is the wheel right here, and then this is the window right here that you would put on the camper. It's really cute. And so this is what it looks like, all paper pieced and cut out. I did back it on white paper first, and then I just used, I cut it out twice, and what I did was I just paper pieced it back in. This paper right here is by Cute Girl by Crepe Paper. And then I made a little window out of some scraps. That's gold glitter, not gold glitter, but gold cards, not cardstock, poster board. And then I also put some gold poster board at the bottom right here. I thought this came out really cute. And this is actually foam down here for the wheel well. And it actually cuts out a little heart. And so I took the circle part out and just left the heart there, and I thought that came out really cute. So now it's ready to go either on a card or on a layout or something like that. Really, really cute. The next one is this die right here. It is some ice skates, and it also comes with 3 different snowflakes. And so the snowflakes look like this. And here's the third one here. So this is what the snowflakes look like. Really, really cute. And this is what my little skates look like. So what I did for my little skates is I cut it out twice. Once with gold poster board, and then the other one was with the bow paper from Michael's. And I just cut it out and I layered them on top of each other, and then I took a needle and I poked the holes through, because the die itself, it has holes in it, but those holes do not cut out. So I just used that as a guide to use a needle and just poked all through the skate, and I created this right here. And I just used some of my twine that I have in my stash, and then I tied a little bow in it, and I thought that came out super duper cute. And so that's ready to go on something. And so the next one I'll share with you guys is this ice cream cone. And it comes with 3 pieces. The main piece is the ice cream cone, but this does cut out in 2 different pieces. As you can see where the scallop is on the ice cream, this part will cut out separate from the ice cream cone. And so you can layer that as many times as you want. It also comes with this little face that you can cut out, this little ice cream face. And then it also comes with this little piece right here. And to be honest with you, I have no idea what this little one is for because it's too small to be an ice cream by itself, I think. But it does come with those 3 pieces. So I'll share with you guys the 2 little ice creams that I made. So I cut these out using my scrap paper. I thought it came out really cute. I love the way that this has the stitching going through it at the bottom. And I cut this out of basil paper from Joann. And then these are just scrap pieces of paper that I had lying around. And then this one I made a shaker. And the way I did that was I took the face part of this die, which is this one right here. I laid it inside of this, taped it down, and then cut that out. And what it did was it cut out a frame. And so I was able to use that to make a little ice cream shaker. And I thought that came out really, really cute. So that is what those 2 look like. The next die is this one right here. It's kind of like a doily die, and it has like really tiny little hearts going around it. And I actually held on to those hearts, and that is the hearts that you may or may not have seen in this particular ice cream cone. But I did keep those for shaker pieces. But this is what that doily looks like. It's a really nice size. It's not too small, but it's not too big. And so I just cut it out of pink and white and gold. And I can use these on a project that I have coming up. So the next one that I'll share with you guys is this die set. And this one comes with this outer die, a smaller die that looks just like this one, and then some other pieces, tags, hearts. This comes with butterflies and smaller tags. I mean, it even has like little bitty tiny hearts and tags that look like this. Really small, but really cute. And so I created this card base using that. And so this is the larger stitch scallop, and then this is the smaller scallop, which is the same as the one that I showed you in the beginning. This is the tag right here. I just stamped thinking of you on there. I put some of my flowers that I printed off from my Maggie Holmes digital kit. These butterflies come from out of that die set, and then I just used some twine to kind of just hang this on here. And I have not put this on a card base yet, but I plan on putting it on a white card base in a little bit. So that is what that looks like. And then last but not least is this die right here. And this makes a little box, and there's panels in here that you can cut out. This is a panel here. This little circular piece is a panel. This is a panel, and then you have like hearts and little scallops and different things. You even have the word thanks inside of here. Really, really cute box set. Very inexpensive. And this is the little box that I created using that. I thought this box came out really cute, and it's a very nice size to put your goodies in, like favors and stuff like that. I just put one of the tags on here, and it is a stitch tag, really cute. And then this little label right here, as well as the square. So I put squares all the way around, but then I only put the little scallop label on the front. And I just used some of my yellow twine to tie it up at the top. It does have like these little slots where you can stick like ribbon or twine or something like that. And I just thought this box was super duper cute. I love box dies, as you guys know. So I had to have this one because it was very inexpensive, and it's a very sturdy box. I really, really like this box, and I really do recommend this one if you guys don't already have it. So that is about it, guys. That is all that I wanted to share with you guys from AliExpress. As you guys know, I always get stuff in, so I will be back to share with you guys more goodies as they come in and as I am able to cut them. So that is about it. So stay tuned, guys, for that. And as always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.